What is up, you guys? Today I'm gonna be learning how to ride a four-wheeler. Like, I know how to ride a four-wheeler, but like not with gears. And right now we're washing it, and there's gonna be a lot of cars interrupting me, so yeah. I think I'm gonna start Seth's little video real quick, and you know, his video is gonna be the same as mine. So if you like mine, pretty much he does a lot more of this than me, because you know he has a four-wheeler and I don't.
You do.
Yeah, but it doesn't work. So go subscribe to him for more videos like this. If you like four-wheelers, dirt bikes, guns. Oh my, bro! I would have killed you. You almost sprayed me. But look at his yard. It's literally a racetrack. No, we have to. Okay, we're about to maybe get started. Maybe.
Yeah,
I don't know. We're gonna be in the back, probably, right? The very back.
I don't want my foot slipping off. I hate that.
Hang on, I don't think it's in neutral.
Is it?
No, I think I put it in first. There we go. But
Alright, you gotta see the startup.
yeah.
Done it.
What's going on, bro? You're supposed to be a professional, bro. There we go. Bro. So, what year is this? 1995 Yamaha Blaster?
Yeah, how did you remember that?
Nah, I just remember stuff.
This is the one I was wanting to buy.
Nice.
22 Magnum.
What about that? What about that?
I don't know, okay?
What's that?
Insane.
What's that? What's that? Dang, you got a big head. Yeah, we're gonna be riding in the backyard, which is, you know, right here. I mean, he doesn't have a lot of space to ride. He can go over to this field, but I don't know if he's allowed to. So this is where I'm gonna be learning. Probably gonna set it up about right here, you know? So, let's get into it, bro. Ow, I heard. I don't know what tripod to use. This one, a long wink. I can't speak. So cold. A long wink. In the middle of that video, Andrew called me. So I don't know whether to use this one, which is strong, but short. And then this one, it's like really weak. Let's see, it just broke off right in two places. I can put it right there on the deck. I don't know. Like, I don't know. Is this a good angle? Yeah. Or I could put it like out here somewhere. I don't know. Let's just see what happens, bro. Alright. What are you doing?
This is how to lube a chain.
Yeah. Well, why do you need this for it, though?
Listen. Darn it. Sorry, I don't have the handle thingy. So, this dumb thing doesn't. I think it's like broken. No way.
There you go, you genius.
Well, yeah, sure.
Not. That wasn't me.
I've seen it. Oh.
You're a smarty pants.
I thought I always leave like that. Oh, there we go.
You're so smart. No, you're not.
Well, I always leave. Oh, it's probably when my grandpa. That's probably when my grandpa used it for his car. Okay, could you go get? Never mind.
I ain't getting nothing to eat.
Thanks, bro. Ah!
Well, I don't know what we're doing. I don't know if we're gonna be able to make this video. Cause look, it's getting a little too dark out. I mean, it's not horrible, but you know, I wanted it to be the best quality it could be. But this is what it's gonna look like now.
Alright, what is... we were just...
I talk his page a lot and like, I mess with this stuff.
You talk... What?
Like,
I don't know that I swear, so if anything's dumb, it's because of him. Alright,
no,
let's do
it's
it.
mostly him. I do the good stuff. I edited your last video. That's a pretty good one, guys. Check it out.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. This is not good to do this, what I'm about to do, because it's not a load on the... Just go to like 6 gear. I don't know, maybe not that. I just want to...
I can't go. Wait, Steven sit next to me. What? Remember when Steven sit to LeBron? Watch your coat. That's your fault. We got it started and ready. So he's gonna teach me how to ride. Let's do this. Let's do this. I was just warming my hands up. I didn't want to do anything. Or something. I don't know what it's called.
Flipped over.
I didn't record,
How
but
was that takeoff?
he accidentally hit the brake and he almost flipped
How
over.
was that takeoff?
It was pretty good.
Did you see my wheel?
Yeah.
It went up.
Did it really?
I did a wheelie. I was like, oh, it didn't look like it because I was like this.
Well, I was recording. But...
Dude, that was sweet. You
All right, I think it's time for you to teach me. No? Okay. Alright, I'm not really sure if I'm going to be able to learn. I don't know. He's taking a while. But we'll see what happens, I guess. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to learn.
Just give us a second. I'm gonna teach this kid how to ride. Pretty sure he's excited, right?
Yeah.
He's excited. You look it. What's wrong? Anyways, we'll get some footage. I think we're gonna put one. Yeah, you shouldn't. Yeah. All right, pull in the clutch, and then shift. Go in the first. Okay. And then, like I said, get a little bit more gas, a little bit more. Alright. I mean, yeah, pull it in, I guess, yeah. Good job. I mean, okay, now. Hold on. Go, here, go around. Yeah, go around. Oh, yeah. Burning. Proud of him. Oh. You want to stop or? Oh shoot, pull it in, pull it in. Alright. Yeah, you did good. Proud of you. Try it again. But you weren't, what? Oh no. You're gonna make sure your mom is and stuff. Especially once you see this video.
I feel like I have a bunch of boogers going down my face.
Yeah, you don't. No, you're good.
Alright, I'm gonna take a
How do you feel?
blinded?
Oh. Does it feel fun?
No. There we go. It feels like the paparazzi fun.
How do you feel? Like,
I feel pretty good. Like, I don't feel the wind yet.
okay, well, yeah. Well,
Better at taking off.
yeah.
I mean, like, the second time was a lot better than the first. Alright, I'm gonna take one more lap.
Yeah.
Alright, ready?
Yep. Oh. Well, I just did the same thing. Go, go push down. Oh, you are in first. Take off.
I was in moving.
Right again. Oh, wait, oh, yeah. What the? Alright, that was weird. Doing good. You could give a little bit more gas. I'm just saying. Oh, it's fine. If you don't feel comfortable, you don't do it.
I feel comfortable. I just don't feel comfortable with the sound.
Oh, like, oh no, oh, don't do it constant, like, I don't know. You know, what?
A tingle.
Oh, here, let me see real quick. Yeah, can get off real quick. No, I'm just gonna show you something. Yeah.
I thought I had to record. Alright, bro, I think I can do that. I just don't think you'll want me to, Seth. I feel like you're watching this right now, and you're gonna run me over on the road. What's up, dude? Look at these camo gloves. Dude, I hunt in these. No, that he does. Okay. Okay, no. I'm not that stupid, dude. Come on, Seth. You really think I'm that stupid? Come on. I thought you was my best friend. Huh?
I can't see where to hold it. Alright. So you can do it like that. Like the sound I was doing. Huh? Alright, we're back. Alright, I don't know. Alright, he's trying to go in second gear. Let it out a little bit faster. Oh, there you go. A little bit more. Oh, okay.
I've 1%.
I'm gonna try to do a donut in the garage. My wheels are nice and soaked.
Hurry.
Oh, big